prepare this, I am using pumpkin, bell peppers, sweet peppers, garlic, thyme. Right here we have celery sticks, parsley sticks, chives, mushrooms, extra virgin olive oil, pink Himalayan salt, some baby spinach which I froze, organic coconut milk, water, and my organic vegetarian plantain flour. I shared how to prepare this flour in a previous video, so please check it out. Guys, this recipe is quite versatile, so make all the changes to suit your desire. The first thing I do is I wash and chop seasonings, mushrooms, and my pumpkins. I use this fruit and vegetable wash to thoroughly clean all of them to ensure that any wax or pesticides or chemicals are removed. So guys, I chopped this pumpkin into sizable pieces to come off looking just like this. Guys, after I chopped all of the green seasonings, pumpkin, and mushrooms, I set them aside. Then I move on to saute the pumpkins. I place a pan over low heat and I add to that some extra virgin olive oil, all of the chopped pumpkin pieces. I grate in 2 garlic cloves. I add some pink Himalayan salt to taste, and I mix everything together and allow it to saute over low heat for 3 minutes, and then I gradually add water to cover the pumpkin and allow it to completely cook to come out looking just like this. At this point, I add all of the chopped seasonings to the pumpkins and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Then I turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. Then I blend the mixture. To do so, I add some water to the blender, all of the cooked and cooled mixture, and I blend everything together to come out looking just like this. It comes out looking like this nice fine puree. Just look at this. I set this aside and move on to stew the mushrooms. I add some extra virgin olive oil in a pan, some grated garlic, all of the chopped mushrooms, some pink Himalayan salt to taste, and mix everything together while allowing it to stew over low heat for 2 minutes. Then I add the blended mixture to the stewed mushrooms and allow it to simmer over low heat for 3 more minutes. I add some more grated garlic to this and some more salt to taste, and I turn off the heat and set this aside. At this point, you can serve this, but I love having this with some of my plantain flour dumplings. This is how I prepare my plantain flour dumplings. I sieve some of my plantain flour, then I add some pink Himalayan salt, and to add some flavor, I add some organic coconut milk, and I use my hand to knead the dough together. Then I shape it like this, and I place them to cook in a pan of water and oil for 5 minutes. I add the oil to avoid them from sticking to the pan. Guys, it's amazing how these plantain dumplings come out. They come out looking almost like when you cook green bananas or green plantains. That's how I know when they are fully cooked. So when they are cooked, I drain off the water and then I serve and eat them. This smells so good. It is a very nutritious and organic plant-based meal loaded with many minerals and nutrients that the body needs, guys, and you need to try this.
You could just dip it in there
and eat it. For the meat lovers watching this recipe is very versatile, so make the changes to suit your desire.